Introduce features, highlight and overview summary of Cambase DC45 dash cam front and rear built-in GPS front 4K and rear 1080p dual dash camera for cars. You can find wanted here, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include DC45 2.0-inch color IPS HD display, dual dash cam 4K front and rear, Ultra HD 4K and 1080p. This driving recorder has mainstream functions in the market, such as 4K, G-sensor, loop recording, parking mode, motion detection, 170-degree wide angle, super night vision, GPS, and more. It also has functions that others don't have, such as parking mode, no need to purchase additional hardwire kit, reversing auxiliary line function, very friendly for novices. Quick and professional customer care. Why do you need a driving recorder? When an accident occurs or when an insurance company's claim settlement process. The driving recorder can be used as one of the evidence to submit the accident liability certificate to the police and the insurance company. It is especially useful when there are no other witnesses. Conducive to protect yourself from unreasonable responsibilities or claims application. If you want to get full highlight features and full review, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.